Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and entering both start and end locations. This creates a route in the app. Once done, pick the travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, because each offers different routes and timing estimates. Make sure to review alternate routes that appear as gray lines, tap one to switch. If you need waypoints, add a stop by tapping Add Stop. This first step gets the route ready to share and avoids guesswork later. Now prepare to share the exact route you set up. You want to confirm stops, departure time, and that the map shows the chosen path. Next, tap the three-dot menu or the visible Share button on the directions screen. Google labels it Share Directions in many versions. When the Share panel opens, pick how you'll send it: messaging apps, email, or send to your devices. Choosing the right app matters because recipients will get a link that opens the same route in their maps. Finish by selecting the app or contact to receive the route and tap Send. You can add a quick note that explains timing or stops. After sending, open the link on your device or a second device to verify it reproduces the exact route and stops. This confirms the recipient will see the same directions. If the link doesn't load correctly, try resending, copy the link manually, or use Send to your devices. Those options usually fix sharing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.